Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I managed to get an incredible amount of cash and coins in Madden NFL 24 using an amazing method. First off, let me open up the game to prove that this method truly works. As you can see, my account is loaded with resources, which is all thanks to this amazing trick. What's even better is that it's incredibly user-friendly and works seamlessly on both iOS and Android devices. There's no need for any technical skills like jailbreaking or rooting your device. All you need to do is watch this video and follow along carefully with each step I demonstrate. Trust me, if you stick to the instructions, you'll be raking in cash and coins in no time. Alright, so if you are ready, let's proceed with the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Madden NFL 24 and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.